With a Bitcoin update, all right? Looks like we're getting ready for the big bounce here pretty soon, all right? It looks like Bitcoin's just doing a retest of the breakout here, all right? I'm going to show you that here in just 1 second. The rest of the market out there, you can see what a Bitcoin pullback does, all right? No big deal. We can't, most of these coins, a lot of them have had pretty decent bounces. The weekly, there you go. So, some pretty nice stuff out there. Link up almost 10% for the week. Filecoin finally doing something. Maker, XLM, Cospa. Cospa's been flying. It's just due for a little bit of a retrace. No big deal. Things, this market goes up and down. Saying I heard a long time ago, things that go straight up come straight down. So you want to see building stairs. If one of these green ones are your coins, you want to see stairs building. In a coin, you don't want to see things go straight up. You know what I'm talking about. You want to see it come up, retrace, come up, retrace, come up, retrace, build stairs. The whole way up. So that's what you want to see happen with your coin. All right. I'm expecting here one of two things. All right. Bitcoin is either going to get its bounce from here, which I kind of doubt. All right. In all honesty, I expect it to come back to this level here. This was the breakout level before. I expected that what happened was, obviously it broke up through here. It's coming back down. Retest that as support and get a bounce from there. All right, that's what I'm expecting to happen. Not financial advice, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm sure you hear that all the time, but not licensed for that stuff. I'm just showing you what I see in the charts. So if Bitcoin comes down to that 28,000, just right around 28,000 bucks, you can see back through here, solid support area, support here, support and resistance all back through here. Very very logical area for it to come back to, right back down there, then get our bounce out of here. So if you're into long and short in the market, there is a link from XC in the description of the video. I would appreciate you using that. Sometimes the market gives you pretty decent areas for longing and shorting. I love doing it, and I have my wallet that I do nothing with, and then I have my wallet that I like the long and short with. Not financial advice at all, but if it comes back to this area, boy, that you'd be looking at a pretty decent long here. If we look at the RSIs on Bitcoin, got the weekly still bullish, trying to roll over a little bit. All right, we got that monthly still heading up, and like I've gone over before with this monthly RSI. All right, it's only been at the top 4 times in Bitcoin's history. All right, 2017 bull run, top. 2019 retrace, top. 2021 bull run, top. Okay, now it's coming in for another top. This should be the 2023 retrace up to 48,000 bucks. All right, we'll see if it plays out like that. But that's what it's looking like. History, repeating itself. And also, if you look at the RSI on the bottom, you can see right here, your 2017 top. It's way up in the where's it at? 89. No, it's higher than that. Let's see here. It's up at a 95. Okay, this top was. So you knew this retrace coming in. It would have had to been higher than the 95. But obviously, it wasn't. That was the high down here. The 2021 bull run. We had a top up there right around 91 on here. Okay, so right over here, this should be a lower high coming in. That should be our retrace. Then next year, I believe we're going to have our bull run. But right now, if you'd please hit the like and subscribe, guys, I would appreciate that so much. But the daily RSI looks good. Let's pull her back up there, right down at the bottom. Looks absolutely fantastic. The 12-hour is coming down. All right, so that could pull us down. It could bounce from here. All right, that could be good enough, I guess, for it. Kind of doubt it, but down here we're at a 35 down here, so getting pretty low, getting down in that area, bounce area. Look at this, we're at 32 down here. The 8 hour is still coming down, but we have a green candle on that 8 hour. You never know what this thing's going to do. You know what I mean? You can point out logical areas for it to come to. Bitcoin's showing a lot of strength right now. All right, even if we go out on this daily, you'd expect a 618 pullback. All right, from this run, which if we put a Fibonacci on here, go to the bottom. We're not going to get it exact, but a 618 would pull us right down towards that 28,000 bucks I've been talking about. Okay, so there it is, 28,305. That would be the 618 Fibonacci pullback. Right around 28,000 bucks. That's what I'm thinking. We'll see if it happens. The RSIs are getting pretty reset where it could bounce anywhere. We might just get one wick down here real fast and a bounce out of here. That wouldn't crush the rest of the market. A pull down to 28 grand isn't going to crush the market anyway. But if it does it slowly, it'll bleed out some coins. But hopefully it's a quick flash down there and a fast bounce up. So got to watch the volume too. We'll keep an eye on that volume down there. It'd be nice. I'll bet you there's a ton of buyers sitting right down here. 28, right above 28,000 bucks, right down here. I would almost bet on that. Everybody's watching for that number. That's why I wouldn't be surprised if it takes off from here. It always does what, logically, it does what it wants. All right, guys, thank you so much. I will be back with you soon. Have a great night, everybody.